Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CHF remains depressed near multi-year lows, around mid 0.9100s ahead of FOMC. http ntvforex.com News ID 8F4589. 12 minutes ago. By Haresh Menghani. USD CHF witnessed some follow-through selling for the 7th straight session on Wednesday. The prevalent selling bias around the USD was seen as a key factor behind the ongoing downfall. Repositioning trade ahead of the highly anticipated FOMC decision might infuse some volatility. The USD CHF pair dropped to fresh multi-year lows during the early European session, albeit quickly recovered few pips thereafter and was last seen trading near mid 0.9100s. The pair prolonged its recent bearish trajectory and continued losing ground for the 7th consecutive session on Wednesday, also marking the 8th day of a negative move in the previous 9. The downfall was exclusively sponsored by the emergence of some fresh selling around the US dollar. The greenback remained depressed and languished near 2-year lows through the first half of the trading action on Wednesday. The impasse over the next round of U.S. fiscal stimulus measures and expectations of a dovish shift in the Fed's policy stance contributed to the USD's offered tone. Worries that the U.S. economic recovery could be grinding to a halt in the wake of the resurgence in coronavirus cases have been fueling speculations that the Fed will add more stimulus to support the economy. The FOMC is scheduled to announce its policy decision during the U.S. session on Wednesday. The U.S. Central Bank is widely expected to keep its policy measures unchanged at the end of a 2-day meeting on Wednesday, and hence, the key focus will be on the accompanying rate statement. The forward guidance will help investors determine the next leg of a directional move for the buck. Meanwhile, a modest bounce in the U.S. Treasury bond yields might extend some support to the greenback. This, coupled with some repositioning trade ahead of Wednesday's key event risk, might trigger some short covering bounce and infuse some volatility around the USD CHF pair. Technical levels to watch. USD CHF Overview. Today last price 0.9157. Today daily change 0.0022. Today daily change percent 0.24. Today daily open 0.9179. Trends. Daily SMA 20 0.9368. Daily SMA 50 0.9483. Daily SMA 100 0.9584. Daily SMA 200 0.9685. Levels. Previous daily high 0.9228. Previous daily low 0.9155. Previous weekly high 0.941. Previous weekly low 0.9204. Previous monthly high 0.9651. Previous monthly low 0.9376. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 0.9183. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 0.92. Daily Pivot Point S1. 0.9147. Daily Pivot Point S2. 0.9115. Daily Pivot Point S3. 0.9075. Daily Pivot Point R1. 0.922. Daily Pivot Point R2. 0.926. Daily Pivot Point R3. 0.9292. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.